2 hours after an L5 stroke S1 lumbar fusion with a cage, and we put screws. And how are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling fine.
Yeah. Anything in your back or legs especially?
No.
You know that pain you used to get in the leg and that side of the back? How does it feel? The left side?
The pain I got was as soon as the nerve trapped.
Yeah.
And I folded over and I couldn't stand up.
Yeah.
If I prolonged that for even 5-10 minutes, I would get pain down the legs.
And how is it now?
It's
Nothing? Fantastic. Have a little walk. So this is you can come this way. And you feel upright?
Yeah, I feel very upright.
Yeah, because we opened up the disc space.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Okay, so this you're feeling standing up all right? Yeah, you feel okay? Good.
I feel drawn.
And this is so we've got screws and okay. Good. Excellent. All right.